Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm tackling a topic that's a game changer for entrepreneurs: securing business funding on autopilot. Sounds magical, right? Let's dive in and see if this process can really be as easy as it sounds. We all know securing funding is one of the biggest pain points for business owners. Lengthy applications, high rejection rates, and endless paperwork, it's a nightmare. And let's be honest, getting rejected can be a huge blow to your confidence. Traditional lenders often have strict criteria, making it tough for new businesses or those with poor credit to get the funding they need. Plus, the whole process is super time-consuming, taking you away from growing your business. Despite these challenges, many entrepreneurs pour their hearts and souls into their ventures, only to be met with rejection letter after rejection letter. It's no wonder securing funding is such a struggle. But what if I told you there's a way to bypass all these hurdles and get the funding you need quickly and efficiently? In today's digital age, automated funding solutions are changing the game. Online platforms, credit scoring technologies, and alternative lending options are streamlining the process, making it easier for business owners to get the funding they need. These solutions use advanced algorithms to assess creditworthiness, providing a more accurate picture of a business's financial health. This, in turn, allows for faster approval times and more accessible funding options. For instance, some online platforms can provide funding in as little as 24 hours, giving business owners the capital they need to keep their ventures afloat. Another benefit of automated funding solutions is that they're often more inclusive, providing opportunities for businesses that may have been overlooked by traditional lenders. Alternative lenders, for example, may consider non-traditional credit scores or revenue streams, giving more businesses a chance to secure the funding they need. One of the most exciting developments in automated funding is the rise of fintech companies. These companies are using cutting-edge technology to provide innovative funding solutions that are faster, cheaper, and more accessible than traditional lenders. From invoice financing to revenue-based financing, the options are endless. Let me tell you about Sarah, the owner of a small e-commerce store who was struggling to keep up with demand. After being rejected by several traditional lenders, Sarah turned to an online funding platform that uses AI-powered credit scoring. Within 48 hours, Sarah received the funding she needed to scale her business, and the rest is history. Today, her business is thriving, and she's able to focus on what she does best: growing her brand. In today's video, we've covered the importance of automating the funding process for businesses, the common challenges business owners face, and the various automated funding solutions available. By leveraging these solutions, you can streamline the funding process, get approved faster, and focus on growing your business. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Leave a comment below sharing your own experiences with securing funding. What challenges did you face, and how did you overcome them? And don't forget to tune in next time when I'll be sharing tips on how to pitch to investors like a pro. Catch you later.